Waive your salary and allowances. This is what Deputy Majority Leader Senator J.V. Ejercito raised as an appeal to the senator who's been missing in action in the Senate since November last year, namely Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. As we hear more from Floyd Brents.
Speculation is mounting over the whereabouts of Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa as the Philippine Senate prepares to resume its session. The senator has not been seen in the chamber since November 2025, leading to questions over whether he intends to return to his duties. Deputy Majority Leader J.V. Ejercito has publicly called on De La Rosa to voluntarily waive his salary and allowances for the duration of his absence. Senator Ejercito argues that this would align with the no work, no pay principle applicable to wider workforce and help address the ongoing controversy.
Just to be fair to everyone, siguro kung voluntarily, hinaangapil ako, kung i-waive niya na yung pagtanggap ng sahod at mga allowances para maging para yung issue mismo kahit pa paano nambasihan para sa complaint sa ethics. Alam naman na po natin na gusto man natin aksyonan kapag sinunod mo ang proseso talagang napakatagal, no? Una, pang-lima pa yung kaso niya. Pangalawa, wala ho sa rules ng Senate, so iintayin pa natin magkaroon ng mag-resume ang plenary bago amyendahan yung rules.
Senator Ejercito suggested that such a move could potentially influence the committee's decision regarding the pending complaint.
Dahil yun ang basis ng complaint, it might be basis for the dismissal. Kasi nga, kung talagang hindi niya natatanggapin yung sweldo niya, sahod niya, allowances, so wala nang basehan yung complaint. No? Pero yun nga, pag-uusapan pa ng committee members yan. Depends on the members. Ako naman facilitator lang, hindi ako yung kasi akala nila ako lang nagdedesisyon dito.
While there remains no official information regarding Senator De La Rosa's current location, his Senate office has confirmed that administrative operations are continuing. Floyd Brents from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.